Shoba Feet. Welcome to another beautiful, fun, and exciting episode of Cast Dance Class. And I am your nice, good, beautiful, great fan who's going to be the entertainer. Shoba Feet. Yeah, what you've seen on the caption is the truth. Tuntun's. Sorry, these kids, they just happen to do that. Sahur is gone. Sold. Bye. I don't have a VR6. I'm happy the person who bought it. It's under new management. And they're having a nice car that I built. I was driving as a daily car. And you've seen that car has been a reliable VR6. Now whatever car that I build becomes a reliable car. I've never built a garage queen. I've never built a car that cannot go wherever. My builds have proven themselves beyond reasonable doubt that they're good. Yes, I might not end up going all the way, but now I build to the level of greatness. Yeah, my cars are built for myself, not for sale, not for to impress someone else who's gonna come and buy it. No, for me. When someone comes and buys it, it's an extra. They loved it the way it is. So that's why I kept my CLI rim lights the way they were, because I wanted it that way. The spec was that way. That's why I put the fog lights, gloss fog lights, as opposed to the original 3-piece VR6 lights. So yeah, man, it's gone. The buyer asked me not to tell you where he is, who he is, and whatnot. So he basically doesn't want to be known that he is the one who got Tung Sahur. But in due time, maybe see on the 6th of June, ODI Raceway, when VR6 is versus E30, he's going to be there. And if the car is there, unfortunately, now I have to show my people the car is like this right now. You change this and this and that, and it's here. I'm going to record that car and I'll show you. That's if the car pitches, because he told me that it's going to come. That's the main reason why he wanted to buy that car. So, yeah. Kina goloi, guys. I cannot goloi, but I can guarantee you that today is the last day of me not having a car. I can guarantee you. And I'm looking for something smaller, something simple, so I can have change and use that change to finish up Kushela, the E30. Maybe miraculously, it might be ready on the 6th of June. Miraculously. If you don't know English, you can Google this word. Maybe on the 30th of June, on the 6th of June, it might be ready miraculously. Should things happen that way? That's my wish. I wish things happen the right way and the car is ready during that time. So I want something small. I want something reliable. I want something that's not high on fuel. Like I go chela tao 1,100. Ke phone like manje le ba fit. Like some phone like sadra sa important matter here. Hey, sorry guys. Sorry. As I was saying, people were disturbed. Yeah, as I was saying, I'm looking for something that's gentle on fuel. I want to attend a whole lot of shows, many shows, without crying over fuel or maybe being booked and. So help me search my faith and help to give me ideas. Also, I want to give stunts a chance. Stunts, my faith. Something else, stunts here. Stunts. And my faith, racing is for the rich. Something I want to tell you now. That's something I've learned. I've built so many cars for racing. I've built so many cars that I used to race with. Regardless of whether you think they were fast enough or not, But I personally was racing for them when I was winning races. So for me, that was fast. Don't compare me with people who are super fast and super experienced in this racing game. I never said I was the best. I'm just answering you in advance because I know you guys. I know how you guys are. So, yeah. And I was spending a whole lot of money. I cannot lie. I won't say the money spent selling Tung Sahur is sufficient or close to how much I've spent building it. I got 110 for it. So that 110 has to get me a car, a reliable car. I don't want a car of class, what? No, it's a nice, small, fuel efficient, reliable car that I'm going to use for a daily. I was dealing a VR6. I know how much I've been spending on fuel. You would need 500 just to leave your house. That petrol light, you won't switch it off with less than 500. And tomorrow you're still going to pour again. So if you pour 500 today, it's going to switch off that light, right? It's still be in the red region a bit, but you will switch off that light. Okay, the light will be off. And at the same time, you're going to drive for the day, go up and down, do your local duties, and you're going to be done. What's going to happen is that tomorrow, if you want to leave your house and go up and down again, you're going to need to top up with either 300 or whatever amount that you have, depending on how you want to go up and down. But you won't go strolling and cover the distance that you covered yesterday unless you top up with 400. Now it goes back to 500. Like, you understand the maths around that. So yeah, it was really an amen and a leg for me, and I enjoyed every part of it. Remember, my mind is still on VR6 fuel mentality, because I've been driving VR6 ever since I got out of golf once. Ever since 2023, I've been getting into VR6. I don't know anything else than VR6. So my mental state is still on VR6 regarding to fuel. So I want anything that's going to help me to not go from Polokwane to Joburg with 1,100. It's going to be perfect for me. Anything that's going to help me not to pour 500 a day when I want to go out, it's going to be good for me. So help me, guys, help me. Please comment in the comment section. Suggest cars which you think I should buy. Don't worry about the money. Don't worry about the budget. I'll top up if it's that high. Or I won't go for a brand new. Definitely I'm not going to buy a brand new car. I don't like debt. I don't like installments. I don't want all those things. I just want a small reliable car that I'm going to be able to use each and every day. So guys, Tung Sahur is gone. No longer Tung Sahur. No longer that. And I'm glad that the last days of that car, I enjoyed it to the very level best. And Katra is the one who driven it to that beautiful level that it reached. I miss it. I miss that growling sound when you start in the morning. Oh, it shows like there's a beast around. There's a beast in town. Oh, so I think Sahur is gone, guys. Comment in the comment section. Suggest something for me. Hey guys, I don't have light. I don't know if you guys can see me. Suggest cars you think I should get. Not just any cars, but those who are going to be fuel friendly, guys. I'm emphasizing this because I don't trust that you guys understand how much I want a fuel efficient car at this point. I want a fuel efficient car. I want a car that I'm going to be able to use every day without spending so much fuel. And it has to be healthy because I travel a lot. So guys, comment in the comment section. Assist me. If you know anyone selling anything that you think I might want, don't come and comment with VR6. I don't want a 6-cylinder car. I want 4-cylinder, 3-cylinder. That's it. That's how small I want my cars to be. Guys, Comment in the comment section. Tell me which car I should buy, which is going to be small, fuel efficient, and healthy. You know how much I go up and down, so make sure that the car is fine. Right now, ke ka re ga 7-seater ba fethu. Ke kaphiwa gae ka 7-seater. Mara ge ile go ba right gona ke gabotse. And I have, like, some people when they sell their cars, they still have that thing of wanting it back, complaining like I'm happy that I'm donating VR6s in the community. I'm donating VR6s. All the VR6s that I've sold are driving around. When I meet those people, I see those cars and I get to be proud. I'm the one who built them. I made sure that the VR6 culture also is kept alive around where I am. So my aura brings VR6s back to life. But a lot of people are going to say what they're going to say. They're going to be negative. They're going to get angry. They're going to be sad. Some are going to be happy. Some are going to be smart enough to understand that this guy, when he's having a reliable car, he's going to make sure that he goes to a lot of places. We're going to have more new builds, a lot of access. Change is inevitable. Change is beautiful. So you don't know what I'm going to bring. Let me give you a heads up. I'm going to make sure Kushela drives. There's no way a car can go and car doesn't replace. Come on, you know me. So I want a reliable car first that I'm going to drive as a daily car. And now I'm going to buy Kushela engine, gearbox. So you see all those things which help the car to become alive. Kushela has to start, regardless of how it's sitting. You see the way it's sitting at my house? It can sit like that. It's fine. But it should now start. The way it's... No, it's not going to be... No. Because that's a BMW. Not a VR6. So yeah. Someone is going to ask, so, Nkupi, is this the end? You're never going to own a VR6? You can never confirm that one. I love VR6 so much. Anything can happen. But I'm not going to buy it now. I'm not going to build it now. Now I have to... Any project that enters in my yard has to end up being a car. I don't just carry projects and then now they end up being the hokach at the whole. No. Make sure all my cars become alive, big cars, and they drive on the road. And yeah, that is it, guys. I just want to tell you that I no longer have a VR6. Don't call me out. Don't mention me on people calling people with VR6 out. Don't mention me on VR6 post. I can't afford a VR6 at this point. The VR6 chapter is closed for now. Now I'm going to concentrate on building my E30. Let's concentrate on that. And getting a reliable car. First things first, reliable car. Small car, fuel friendly. Not more than 1.4. If it's 1.6 above, I don't want it. Small car. Fuel is now starting to be aggressive to us. So we gotta fight back. Yeah, that's all I wanted to address, guys. I no longer own Tung Sahur. I no longer have a VR6. It's gone. It's sold. Thank you for the patience. Thank you for being with me as I build that car. I just wanted to end up building a VR6 and finish it. Let it be a reliable car. And it has proven that to me. It has done that. Thank you that I owned it. It has lived to the level of at which it was able to live. And I'm proud of it. I'm proud of myself. That is all we have for this episode of it. Thank you. Nkupi was VR6. I love you. Bye-bye.